Broadcasting from the shed, you are listening to the Model Front Chronicles Network.
Welcome back everybody to Model Front Chronicles. Today I'm going to show you a setup that makes a 5-camera shoot possible for a solo creator. So what I have here is I have my iPad and it's wired into this device right here, a hyperdrive USB connector. So what that allows me to do is record from 5 cameras and then bring it all into one package that I can edit and create different scenes. So with the iPad set up right in front of me, I can hook it up to my keyboard, my mouse of course, and control all the settings. But currently I'm recording on Final Cut Pro on iPad. Coming out of the iPad, you have a USB-C that goes into the hyperdrive, and then out this one side here is a power cable going over to the wall. That allows me to keep everything powered, and from there I can connect 3 regular USBs, a USB-C, and my micro cards and SD cards to retain and bring footage into the iPad. And the secret sauce really is this hyperdrive next hub. It's the bridge for my GoPro Session, which is over here on my right hand side, and that allows me to get macro shots over here towards the left. And then in Hero 4, getting macro shots going back over to the right. Above me, I have my iPhone 16 Pro angled down, and I can zoom that in and out to get various shots of what I'm working on right here in the middle. Same thing for the iPhone 16 on the right hand side. That can be adjusted to get great views of anything that I'm working on. So it's very user-friendly and awesome. With a few buttons I can connect all of this. Now let's talk about lighting and power. In an 8x8 shed, the power in here is on the wall, so I have to run an extension cord to get power up here to the workbench. That presents more problems because I'm limited on power and the amount of amperage draw. So I have acquired over the years these small, many of you have their little power banks, power bricks. This one's a black web. It's pretty old, but I can use that to power certain devices. I also have one here from Moleskine. Yes, back in the day they made one for Moleskine. And then I have this newer one here, which is amazing. It's a Ventev, and it's super nice. I'll try and get all the descriptions of those out in the descriptions. I also can connect my Blue Yeti to it. But anywho, back to these power banks, what that allows me to do is, if you look over here using the GoPro 4, I'm connected to Moleskine into these USB lights that I have up on my rig, and then I can turn those on, play with the colors, and do all kinds of neat lighting. So that is pretty awesome. You can also use this Ventev to charge my phones or anything else. This is a very fast charger. I really like it. So that's my setup. I hope you like it. It's awesome. Looking forward to it. I hope it solves problems. It's not a lot of money to acquire one of these hyperdrives, $50–$60, and you'll be hooking and jabbing with the best of them. So
You've been watching the Model Front Chronicles Network. We'll see you in the shed for the next one.